Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can choose your conversation style in Bing AI. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I imagine that you already have an account on Bing AI and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the dashboard of the Bing AI apps on the screen, where you can see the profile icon at the top left corner. Just tap over there and now you can see the settings option. Once you tap on it, you can see the home page option. So once you tap on that option, you'll be able to see choose your home page style, right? So finally, once you click over there, you can see the choose your home page style, where you can select your conversation style as well from here. So basically, this is how you can choose conversation style in Bing AI. And if you still encounter an issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.